feels like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I found the final double round of crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same.
Well, I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I find the bar, double round of crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same.
All the girls, they are so pretty. And I ride into the city. Oh, I own Stephie, Roy, and they'll say, save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Save a horse, ride down, boy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling banging while the girls are drinking. My neck's down and I move the train on Leroy. My Chevrolet, your Escalade, your freak parade.
I'm the only John Wayne left in this town.
All the girls, they are so pretty. And I ride into the city. Oh, I own Stephie, Roy, and they'll say, save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride down, boy.
Well, I'm a thoroughbred, that's what she said in the back of my truck bed as we were getting buzzed on suds on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time. And I was going just about as far as she let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation left me begging for salvation all night long. Till I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of. We made love. Passing out $100 bills. We made love. Passing out $100 bills.
Everybody say it. Save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Everybody say it. Save a horse, ride down, boy, ride down, boy. Everybody say it. Save a horse, ride down, boy. Save a horse. Everybody say it. Save a horse. Everybody say it. Save a horse. Everybody say it. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
This dance is Save the Horse, choreographed by Beverly D'Angelo and Johnny Montana. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side man bows, side rock recarve across, side rock recarve across. Step forward on right, making a half turn left, kick left forward, left, coaster step. Section 2, skate forward, right, left, step, lock, step, rock, forward, recover, back, lock, back. Section 3, make a quarter turn right to face 9, sway hips, right, left, right say left say left. Last section, 4 paddle turns to the left, making in total a half turn, paddle, 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 to face 3, right, coaster, step, 3 small stomps forward, left, right, left. Weights on my left, I'm facing 3, and I start over with the right side mambo, left side mambo. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.